One of the most unique qualities of women is versatility. They can mold into different roles: a caring mother, a responsible worker, a supportive friend, and many more. They are the epitome of strength, empathy, kindness, and power. They can fit any roles offered by life, and this nature is a vital characteristic of a leader. But it's high time that women not only just focus to fit into different roles offered by life or society, but they must try to discover their inner selves by uncovering different petals of their souls and letting them breathe. We can do this by supporting each other, by breaking the bias. Platinum Jubilee Women Leadership Program is exactly doing this. The extraordinary sessions help me to become more enriched, confident, and empathetic. It helped me to uncover the petals of my soul and rebuild myself. Wishing everyone a very happy International Women's Day 2022.
Inspired by Her Majesty the Queen's 70 years of service and leadership, the British Council has created a great platform for the impressive young women leaders. I am very honored to be the part of the Platinum Jubilee Women's Leadership Project. We all women live in the same world, but in a different way. I believe that difference is unique, so difference must be respected and celebrated. So let's break the bias.
This is Urmee from Bangladesh, and I happen to be a participant in the Platinum Jubilee Women's Leadership Program 2022 hosted by the British Council. The experience of being part of this platform has been truly rewarding and eye-opening, to say the least. I got the opportunity to connect with like-minded people to pave the way forward for gender parity, and getting to know their experiences and their struggles have truly helped me understand the kind of challenges that we face are truly similar. Every year on 8th March, we celebrate International Women's Day to recognize the contribution of women all across the world, and this year's theme happens to be Break the Bias. For me, to break the bias is to question my own mind, to really identify what bothers me and to start speaking up towards these issues, because I believe the women in South Asia, we are great listeners, but it's time for us to really start speaking up and break the bias from our side.